Hi guys, welcome back. I am just trying to use up some of this cloud pearl mixture that I had mixed up from a few weeks ago now. I'm sure you're getting sick of seeing them, I don't know. Yeah, and it was a kind of expensive mix to make. It's got like 4 ounces of Artist Loft Soft White. It's got 4 ounces of Liquitex Basics Titanium White, another 4 ounces of Vallejo Pearl Medium, and oh gosh, another like 2 ounces of Deco Art Satin Enamels, I think. It's got, I think, 4 ounces of Apple Barrel White in it. And I was just throwing the kitchen sink of whites into it. And then a bunch of Floetrol, a bunch of GAC, and yeah. So it's not cost effective, let me tell you. So I just want to get it used up and move on to start testing a different recipe. But this, it is the Color Place Classic Interior Paint, ready to use, washable, and it is a satin. So I want to see how it plays, what it does, and yeah, that whole big gallon was only like $15. So I'm really excited to play with it and see what it does, but I don't want to throw this out, so we're using it up. And as you can see, what I'm doing right now is trying to get it to the right consistency. Almost there. It's still leaving a mound. There's still a little bit of a mound, a little bit of a trace. And what I want is for that trace to disappear. Oh, I think I saw a little chunky go in. Yeah. To be expected. So, all right, so just adding just a few drops of water at a time. And I thought it was important to show you what consistency I'm trying to use, what trying to achieve. Okay, let's see where we're at with this. Oh, there we go. We're getting there. I think we're cooking with gas. Yeah, there is no mound. It is starting to run like water. There's just a slight depression, but barely a depression at all, and it disappears almost instantly. So, perfect. All right. I'm just going to do a Cloud Pearl Blowout. Woo, sorry. Bingity bang bang bang. A Cloud Pearl Blowout on a 10 by 20 canvas. It's just one of the value pack, staple back ones that you get from Michaels. So, and I'm using the leftover colors that we had from the Fiona style dip that I did last week. And what did I do different? Oh, I did a couple things different. So the Pearl Amaranth Red by Arteza, that now has a little mixture of this little piggy sockeye in it, and this little piggy mermaid now has this little piggy sea glass mixed in with it. You can see kind of the variation. So I am mixing it vigorously. Plus I'm also trying to get the pigments to release off the bottom of my bottles. And let's see, I think these were creative inspirations, like lemon yellow and some red. And there's a little bit, not much, of the Amsterdam blue green in that one. So, but that's gonna help me, I'm hoping, that they're almost empty, because I have a really bad habit of putting way too much paint down on my canvas, especially for blowouts. So I'm hoping the bottles will help me. And I'm sorry for the weird clothes if you can see them on the camera. I had the need to do this immediately after jumping out of bed. So yes, I am still in my jammies. And no, I don't sleep in paint clothing. I paint in sleep clothing. I think I said that right. I don't sleep in paint clothes. I paint in sleep clothes. Okay, so there we go. Got that all out. Now we are going to tilt it all off. But don't fear. What we don't use here will be scraped back up and either poured back in the can or saved in a drippings cup. I can't afford to just toss my paints out. That's money on the table, y'all, right? Yeah, that is money on the table. Not just gonna throw my money away. I don't do that. Okay, now, let me get that corner a little bit better with that corner. Come on. All right. And that's another thing about the dry climate. You want to leave as little amount of paint on your canvas as possible. In this dry climate here in Arizona, southern Arizona, the thicker the paint on the canvas, the higher your risk of cracking. So, yeah. All right. Let's see if I got you back in frame. I think I do. Let's see, yep. Okay, cool. I rinse off my hands. All right, let's start with our darkest color first, because that will give nice depth and dimension. Oh yes, much nicer control. They're trying to do it out of the little spouty spout of the cup. All right, let's go in with our, what is this? Mermaid sea glass kind of mashup. It's more sea glass than it is mermaid. So, all right, I'm gonna go in with the red next. I think I'd rather have a little bit more purple than green showing up. Okay, then the sockeye combination with the Pearl Amaranth Red by Arteza. And then the yellow, the bright yellow. Actually, let's drizzle a little bit of gold in here. Just a little bit. This is, oh, when did I get? Harvest Gold. Yep, Harvest Gold by this little piggy. And I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit here and there. Just a few drops. There we go. All right, I'm not even gonna attempt to pour it out of the cup because it is very runny. All right, so there. Now, if we get some orange, I won't be mad. And got the trusty little Berta Mini. And I'm gonna just start it on low. like how it kind of grew bigger as it went. So I'm digging this, and I'm loving the reactions I'm getting. This is so far out. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm loving this. I am loving this. Okay, I'm not even going to touch it. I'm just going to let it sit here and develop. Oh, actually, I'm going to torch it for air bubbles. Oops. I got so excited. So excited. Yay. There was the bubble. That was the bubble I saw. Okay. Okay, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Look at the cells coming up. Yee. Okay, I'll shut up. I'll shut up, let you guys watch. Maybe even fast forward it. Those pearl cells. I just really love this. Ooh, can you see that shimmer in there? Look at that shimmer. Oh my gosh. That is going to dry so beautiful. I love it. Some shimmer. Shimmer everywhere. Look at those piggies sparkle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Like that game show. Big money, no whammies. Yeah. I am praying for no crackies. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. That shimmer and shine is just everything. Look at them in between. In between the pearls. Look at that sparkle. Oh my god. Guys. Oh. This is going to be amazing. Amazing! If it dries okay. Don't want to jinx it. Don't want to jinx it. But I'm loving this. Okay. And rotate again. There we go. Yeah, I don't think it's going to change much now. Hopefully. Okay, we'll be back with dry results in a snap. And ready for dry results. Here is the first Dutch pour we did. I'm sorry. My allergies are like really... I'm trying to get some sunlight on this so you can see the shimmer of the piggies in there, but it's really difficult. My yard is heavily shaded. But there's that one. Get them set up for a better view. Here. Yeah. So beautiful. Love that one. Whew. It's getting windy out here. Okay. There is the kind of Canela Ciraco blowout style in the pearl pour again. Okay, here it is, all dry, hanging on the wall inside because it was just getting so windy and so noisy outside, especially with the birdies. So let me take you in, get you a close-up of these details. Oh my goodness, I am just in love with this piece. I cannot wait to get this varnished. It is just beautiful, and it dried perfectly. God, look at that. Look at those bleed outs. Is that just so pretty? Let me see if I can get along the side. Try to turn on the flash and get some shimmer going. Let's see. There we go. Now you can see that shimmer. Doesn't it look like an eyeshadow compact? It's just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Check that out. And it's everywhere. Just so pretty, 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 pretty. It's a tall one. I'm reaching. I'm gonna get to the top eventually. There we go. Here's the top. Look at that. Oh, how gorgeous is that shimmer? Just amazing. Okay guys, that's it for me. Let's all head over now to Pouring Together with Lance Travis, and then after him we've got Angie Mason Fluid Art, and then we have K&K Create. So until next time guys, loves and hugs y'all. Bye.